Hey, what's up, guys? Assalamu alaikum. So today, this video, I'm gonna show you a magic that I'll write just three lines of Python codes and I'll destroy entire keyboard. That whatever I'll press on keyboard, nothing will work. So it's gonna be so much interesting, and I'm gonna cover this topic with just three lines. So without talking anymore, let's dive into the video. So firstly, for it, we have to download Python. For it, you can visit this site. It's a totally officially Python site. So from here, you have to download the setup file to install Python. Then you can jump into the project. So for it, you don't have to have the strong knowledge of Python. Even you don't need to have a simple knowledge of Python. Just follow me. What am I doing? That I think you know about these processes. So from now, you will have to install an extension in VS Code named Python. Just install that and your works will be easy. So then create a new file. Then I'm gonna write it main and the extension should be py because it's a Python file. Mind it. That's why. Now just I'm gonna press Ctrl J. Just press it and what's gonna happen, just write I write pip install keyboard. Any spelling mistakes? No, just hit enter, then the keyboard should be installed. Okay, let it to be installed. Verify that path is correct. pip is not recognized as the name of a. Oh, what happening here? Pip install keyboard. Any mistake that I did? Again try. Showing the same mistake. So if you can't install it, so our project won't be completed. So somehow I installed the keyboard through this command. Python -m pip install keyboard. This can work, or this maybe work in your PC, but somehow it may be that I couldn't install the Python as well, so that's why it didn't work. So now come to the point and let's write the three lines of codes. Firstly, you will have to write import keyboard, because here I'm saying that the keyboard that we recently installed should be imported in our file. Then keyboard dot on press. Whenever we'll press a key, it means whenever we'll press a key, then what's gonna happen, it's a function. Will declare will explain about the function, that what's gonna happen after pressing any key in our keyboard. Then we're gonna write here that we have to write lambda. It's a function, we'll have to write it. Then any letter like e, none, because that whatever will press will won't work. It means that you can press anything on your keyboard but doesn't will happen nothing. Then here suppress true, it means whatever you do, wait, while it represents that whatever you do in your keyboard, or whatever you do, whatever the events have, the keyboard nothing will do. This event should be the main event from this course. That it means like that whatever you do in your keyboard, it's main. Others leave others. Keyboard is main from the function, and subphrase is true. Then just a single line more, that is keyboard dot wait, because we're saying the keyboard that keep going. Keep yourself like you don't work. Then now, if you have already installed the Python extension that I have already said in beginning of the video, so you will get a button like this. But if you haven't installed, so I don't know about that, so just install the Python extension. Just go in the extensions, then search for Python, then you'll get the main extension, just Python. Now if you run this file, that run Python file, so run this. Create virtual environment. So wait. What's happening? Browse your file system to find a Python interpreter. Where's the file? Just wait a while. But I'm unable to find the interpreter. Interpreter. Let's see. It should work. Now if I press any key, wait a while, what's happening here? I'm gonna, it's happening nothing. Literally, yeah, I'm unable to write anything else. Bro, I'm typing my keyboard. I'm not lying. Truly, my keyboard isn't working. If you can listen to the sound of my keyboard, so I'm happy to hear that. But literally, the codes worked. Suppose I'm gonna pen OBS Studio that I'm using to record the project. It's not working. So suppose I'm gonna delete the codes. I'm gonna use the backspace button to delete, but it's not deleting, so the code will work. But if you don't believe, so you can work, or you can do it with your own mindset. So that's why these three lines of code can destroy your keyboard. That if you can input these three lines of Python code into your friend's laptop or computer, so he is obligated to break his PC. Not PC exactly. He's obligated to break his keyboard because it will not work. So where's the benefit to keep that off? That's why don't underestimate any lines of Python code. Python is a master killer, okay? That's why these three lines of code just easy. So let's see. These three lines of code are easy. So if I increase the size, oh, I forgot that the keyboard don't work. So now let's see. Am I in danger? Nothing is working. How can I stop it? Bro, how to stop it? How can I stop it? Bro, I'm in danger. Then how can I stop it now, right now? How will I work? Bro. What can be done here? How to stop the file? WDF. Where? Oh, oh, I just relieved. Okay. Oh. So try in your PC, but don't fall in danger like me. So bye bye, all of us.